Blocking someone on YouTube TV can help you manage your viewing experience and interactions. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit the YouTube TV website on your browser. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. In the app or website, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Click on it to view your privacy options related to interactions and content. Step 4. Block users. In the Privacy settings, find the option to block users. Enter the username or channel name of the person you wish to block and confirm your action. Step 5. Save changes. After blocking the user, ensure you save any changes made. This will finalize the blocking process and prevent the user from interacting with you on YouTube TV. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on YouTube TV and enhance your viewing experience.